guys are wondering what I'm doing. Well, what I'm doing is I'm placing markers on different landforms on the Earth. Landforms on the Earth, well, look at the word, landforms. They're landforms, they're different landforms, but they're not only forms of land, it could also be oceans, rivers, lakes, things like that. So we're gonna look at different landforms on the Earth today. So let's start with the largest of those landforms. Over here on the map, let's look at what the largest landforms are. We're gonna look at continents first. So continents are huge, massive land. All of the continents actually used to be shoved together in a thing called Pangea before, but now they've spread themselves apart. First one we're gonna talk about is Africa. Right here, there's one continent. Couple other continents that we have are over here. We have South America here. Up here we have North America. We have up here Europe, and we have Asia. And if you notice, Europe and Asia are kind of connected. They're like one thing. So a lot of people now today call that Eurasia and call it one continent instead of two. We had a couple more. Down here on the bottom, we have Antarctica. We got a special continent over here. We got Australia or Oceania, because it includes some parts around here. And most of Oceania, or Australia, is a continent and a country, but it does include some other countries, little countries around the outside. So those are 7 continents. Those are the largest landforms. We have other landforms that we're gonna look at, things like deserts. We've got the Sahara Desert up here in North Africa. You're gonna need to put a pin in the Sahara Desert. We have seas like the Mediterranean Sea. One landform that I want to look at that we see a lot this year are peninsulas. Peninsulas are landforms that are surrounded by 3 sides of water. We see a lot of peninsulas this year. Italian Peninsula, Iberian Peninsula, the Yucatan Peninsula, the Arabian Peninsula. So we deal a lot with different peninsulas this year. Your job today, you're gonna have a list of different landforms, a lot of these we have on the board, that you're gonna put on your Google My Maps. You're gonna use your books, you're gonna use the maps you're given, you can use the internet, but you need to find where those markers go on those different landforms. You're gonna need to include an image and a description of each landform. So have fun today. You're gonna have your list, a little bit of a scavenger hunt. We're gonna ask you to do some certain things when you get to those spots. But again, we're gonna look at different landforms. And again, landforms include everything from forms of land like mountains, plateaus, deserts, but also, waterways like rivers, oceans, and things like that. All right, check out the slideshow, get started on your scavenger hunt, and let's have a good day.